think you should.
What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we will be looking at the top 3 cryptos, so Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as Civic to Bitcoin. So shout out to Ellen O'Neill for commenting her top altcoin. If you guys want to be reviewed or shouted out in tomorrow's video, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a comment below telling me what your top altcoin is. Otherwise, let's get on with today's episode. So I'm on the cryptocurrency market cap right now, and I'm just refreshing the page so we can get a general idea of where the market is headed compared to yesterday. So far, I am seeing a lot of red across the market, and one thing that I'm noticing right now is that the market cap is at $388 billion. So around, I want to say $11 billion has left the market, and a 24-hour volume of around 21 billion, so not too bad, with a Bitcoin dominance of 37.2. So one thing I'm noticing off that is the Bitcoin dominance is increasing, so money is moving away from more altcoins right now than Bitcoin. Bitcoin seems to be holding on a lot stronger, or money is moving into Bitcoin less than other altcoins. When I scroll down, we'll see that for the most part, we're having a pretty down day, with Bitcoin down 14%. That seems to take the most of it. There's very seldom cryptos that are up today, although Eternity and Zcash are up and doing quite well today, actually. There's another 16%. We see Populous up 16%, which we have reviewed in the channel already. So we see Bitcoin at 84.85, down 2.75%. Ethereum to 705 and down 3.52%. And then we have Litecoin down negative 5.7 and EOS down negative 8.73. So again, Litecoin has a $1.2 billion lead on Cardano and around $3 billion less than EOS. So there is a chance, and it's very easy for us to pass that. It's very, very, very possible. So before we look at the big 3 cryptos, I did want to point out an article that I found. So this article is called The Daily Hodl, News and Insight to the Digital Economy. And it says, crypto exchange powered by Nasdaq is coming. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, EOS, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin expected to launch. A new cryptocurrency exchange powered by Nasdaq is set to launch in June. It will utilize Nasdaq's infrastructure, including its matching engine, which connects bids and offers to complete trades across more than 70 exchanges around the world. It says the combination of Nasdaq technology and the DX exchange interface is one that will create a one-of-a-kind fair trading experience and puts traders first. So that should be interesting. And it says the platform plans to list the top 20 to 25 coins by market capitalization. Users can buy crypto with fiat as well as trading cryptos to convert crypto back to fiat. So that is definitely going to help move volume to cryptocurrency, and we should hopefully see some prices move higher. Now that is happening in June, so will we see some prices shoot us higher in June? It's very possible. Will the market move up? Will volume break finally 500 billion in June? It's possible. It says DX Exchange calls itself the world's first open and transparent marketplace for retail clients, institutions, and brokers to trade OTC derivative and crypto products on an exchange in a regulated markets around the globe. So we'll see, guys, whether this is going to help influence the market, make it higher, bring it lower. But honestly, having more crypto being added, it'll allow, or to another exchange, Nasdaq especially creating another exchange, it's going to show a lot of the baby boomers and older generations that crypto isn't so much of a dark net, scammy, illegal thing, especially when people who invest in the stocks now can see and have access to crypto. It's going to help see that hopefully the market see a lot more volume and spread a lot more light on cryptocurrency, and hopefully it won't be looked at as so negative. And maybe we'll see those all-time highs again. But if you think about it, though, every year we have surpassed our previous year's all-time high. And during the consensus, usually about cryptocurrency, we will usually move up like at least 10 to 20%. So looking at Litecoin right now, guys, I'm on the 4 hour for Litecoin, And we are at around, I want to say 39 on the RSI. And you'll notice right now it does seem like it has started some type of channel. I don't know if you guys caught on to that, but honestly, the first thing that I noticed was a clear bounce off that resistance level at the high-low MMA, the high-low middle moving average. Just a bounce right off here. You can see that on the green band. We couldn't break through that and we fell. Like I said, we want to see a price get us above that. Now, because this is the third time now touching on this support level, hopefully we can bounce up off that and again go back and retest that high-low MMA. That's what I'm looking for. If we do fall, guys, I want to say that it is possible to go either way. I am anticipating a move higher, but if we do break below the support level right here, I would expect Litecoin to fall to this level right here at this the top of the triangle. If we manage to break below that, the lowest I can see us going really is down to the bottom of the triangle, which is around $105. That's the bottom line for Litecoin. But what I anticipate, being that we are still closer to being oversold, is the fact that if we do break below this support trend and we come down to retest here, I'm expecting a bounce bringing us higher up. That's what I'm looking for with Litecoin. I would expect a run like that. The fact that we are again not nearing oversold, and the fact that we are below the RSI we're below the MMA on the 4 hour is a good indicator that we should be moving back up to retest that level. And if you'll notice now on the daily MMA, you can see what I was talking about. I'm looking to either hold support right here or fall below, retest this level right here and bounce up off of it, or we're going to fall below here and then hopefully bounce up off of it. That's the two places that I'm anticipating Litecoin to go. I don't want to make a video about Litecoin being $105, but by the way this chart's looking, I wouldn't be surprised if we start running on the support again to maybe hit the 120 mark and then bounce up off there and go higher, nearing that 200, but at least retesting the high-low MMA at around 160, if not 150, 58 in that region. But we're holding support level right here, you can see, and hopefully we can break above that. We are facing some resistance at this MMA, which is what we faced numerous times over here, but you can see how much closer they're coming, so it should be coming together. It should be a good indicator that we could go back up and retest that without having some issues. Let's look at Bitcoin right now. Kind of in a similar place. We are looking at this on the daily, and one thing that I'm noticing is we are holding support at around the $8,500 level, if not the $8,430 level in that region. Basically, what we're just doing is fighting this high-low MMA, and hopefully we can see that breakout and that move to retest that high-low MMA before we break down. If we do break down, we're probably going to head to around the $7,800 level. I'll draw that in for you guys right now, just so you can see the support that we have. We're going to see it probably test somewhere around this level, but hopefully we can stay up. I did notice that there is a slight downtrend like this, so we're going to see whether or not we can break above this resistance and push higher to retest that high-low MMA, or if we're going to continue going down and then eventually pop above. But I'll draw it like that. Hopefully you guys notice that downtrend right there. We do look kind of okay on the RSI. We're only 43, so similar to Litecoin. But let's just follow this downtrend, see if we pop right here, or if we retest that high-low MMA and move up higher. Ethereum now, you can see on Ethereum that we did have that bounce off of the high-low MMA. Ethereum, again, being my best bet, or the best looking crypto. It's holding its weight right now. We didn't see a break below that high-low MMA. The high-low MMA, we didn't break below that. We are holding support there, which is very nice to see. I am looking to see a run now up back to that uptrend, and hopefully we can break above and continue to climb that. Looking at Ethereum on the 4-hour, you can see what we're doing, and we're pretty much just hugging that RSI, hugging the MMA and using RSI at around 40, 44. So that's not too bad, but I'm really anticipating a jump up and bringing us back to that support level, if not running off support and then breaking up higher like we did in the past. That's where I'm shooting for with Ethereum. It would be a shame if we did fall below, but it's very possible. And if we did, we'd probably go back down to around the $640 level. So do be mindful of that. Lastly, let's look at Civic coin. I'm just going to zoom in on this for us on the daily right now, and hopefully we can get a better look. So the first thing that I'm noticing is a very, very, very nice looking downtrend or descending triangle. Something along the lines of this would be about right. We could even honestly do something like that. I guess we'll leave it like this though. So a clear downtrend with Civic, and then we also have support levels for Civic as well. We have one right around here. We have another here. I just want to draw these in so you guys can notice where we're seeing support and where we're struggling. Okay, so hopefully this helps you guys right now. Hopefully you can see that we do have this downtrend right here, and then hopefully you'll notice that we are kind of tangled in between that MMA right now on the daily, and you can see where we have resistance right now at the top band. But you'll notice we are getting sandwiched in between this downtrend and using support and the high-low MMA, so this is definitely a crucial area for Civic. So I'm either anticipating Civic to pop out right now off that wedge that it's getting wedged into, or it's going to spiral down here and then pop up there. But I do anticipate Civic to move up very soon. Hopefully these two lines help. Guys, if you have anything you want to see added to the channel, please let me know in the comments below. I want to make this channel better. I want to grow it into something that you guys look forward to. So if you have any idea, clue, comments, questions that could help benefit the channel and all you guys, leave it in the comments below and I'll make sure to respond. I'll like your comments, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.